In this video, I've shown you the best overall and incredible collection of the top 5 tablets on the market in 2023 or 2022 that are used for art, gaming, and more than you believe on these tablets. All the tablets have strong performance and amazing battery life that builds the highly equipped power that helps you multitasking. It does not matter if you use tabs for any reason like gaming, work, drawing, and much more you need. I choose the best 5 tabs for you in 2022. All the links to the product are in the description below. Before starting the video, please subscribe to our channel and push the bell icon to get our amazing videos. I am Darius. You are watching the coolest techie. Let's start the video. The 5th product is Microsoft Surface Go 3. The most portable Surface touchscreen 2-in-1 is perfect for your everyday tasks, homework, and play. Designed to light up the best of Windows 11, Surface Go 3 is optimized for digital pen and touch plus a faster Intel Core processor, all-day battery, tablet to laptop versatility, and built-in Microsoft security, and with optional LTE Advanced. Microsoft Go 3 has a choice of faster Intel Pentium Gold or Intel Core i3 processor, with up to 8 GB of RAM. And the display resolution of the laptop is 1080p HD. Touchscreen supports the 10-point multi-touch, made with the Gorilla Glass 3. It will likely carry the lightweight window tablet with up to 11 hours of typical device usage, and on the LTE Advanced up to 10.5 hours of typical device usage. It has an integrated Intel UHD graphics 615 and 5.0MP front-facing camera with 1080p HD video, provide you the write and draw naturally on screen with Surface Pen, navigate, scroll, and browse through documents and websites. Are you decided to buy this laptop? Link in the description below. The 3rd product is Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus. Experience cinematic viewing in your hands with the 12.4 inches Tab S7 Plus. With an edge-to-edge display and AMOLED screen, 3 colors are more vibrant and graphics are more immersive, perfect for enjoying movies, playing games, and making video calls. Quad speakers tuned by AKG supply Dolby Atmos surround sound and elevate audio to new heights. At 120 Hz, this tablet's responsive display instantly reacts to what's on your screen. It intelligently adjusts the refresh rate based on your content and helps you save battery power as you watch or scroll. This tablet is extremely fast and powerful. This intelligent chipset can run intense games or easily multitask, all with minimal lag. Harness its power as you need. The incredible Samsung Tab S7 Plus, link in the description below. The 3rd tablet is iPad Air 5th generation. iPad Air with the Apple-designed M1 chip, delivering a massive leap in performance, also features the new ultra-wide front camera with center stage for a more natural video conferencing experience, a USB-C port with up to 2x faster transfer speed, and blazing fast 5G. Advanced cameras and compatibility with the latest accessories enable users, including content creators, gamers, and students, to push the boundaries of creativity, productivity, and self-expression. The breakthrough M1 chip in iPad Air delivers a giant performance boost to even the most demanding apps and workflows. With incredible power efficiency and all-day battery life, the 8-core CPU delivers up to 60% faster performance, and the 8-core GPU delivers up to 2x faster graphics performance. From editing multiple streams of 4K Kelvin video to playing graphics-intensive games, redesigning a room in 3D, and more realistic augmented reality, the performance of M1 enables users to do more than ever with iPad Air 5th generation. I recommend this tablet for most beginners. This tab has a user-friendly interface. Link to the tablet in the description below. The 4th tab is Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. It is the best Android-based tablet on the market. Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra is a premium tablet that helps you get more done on the go. Whether you're working, catching up on your favorite series, or chilling with your favorite game, get it all done smoothly and quickly no matter where you are with super-fast Wi-Fi 6E. Prepare to be blown away by a large 12.4 display that gives you more out of every moment, with an AMOLED screen that delivers brilliant clarity and ultra-smooth views, even in broad daylight. Your video calls just got a big upgrade too. The large screen helps you feel closer to who you're talking to, and a dual camera with auto framing keeps the spotlight on you. If you're looking for a tablet that helps you level up productivity, Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra delivers. The large display creates more space to work with the option to open and toggle multiple windows for enhanced productivity. S Pen feels more like a real pen. Sketch and convert your handwriting to text. And when it comes to power and storage, this premium tablet piles it on with an upgraded Qualcomm Snapdragon chipset and up to 256 gigabytes of storage. Expand your storage up to 1 terabyte with a microSD card. Or you have a big budget to afford this tablet, I highly recommend you buy this incredible Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. The link to the tab is in the description below. The fifth product is ROG Flow Z13. The best overall in this video and all of the world at this time on the market. Ultimate versatility. Z13's tablet form factor gives you the flexibility to follow your flow. Use the touchscreen with active stylus support for drawing and taking notes, or attach the included keyboard for serious work and play. The Flow Z13's versatility extends to a choice of displays that tailors the experience for serious gaming or creativity. Go 4K and immerse yourself in Ultra HD detail, or go Full HD with 120Hz for super smooth gaming. Due to their compact form factor, traditional tablets power their displays via the integrated graphics on the CPU. Despite the size limitations, ROG has not only added a discrete GPU to the Flow Z13, but it supports up to a GeForce RTX 3050 Ti and the say goodbye to slow load times. Store your entire game library on a swift 512GB PCIe 4.0 SSD and Alt-Tab almost instantly with 16GB of LPDDR5 RAM. It has a truly silent cooling under light workloads with 0 dB ambient cooling. In the silent operating mode, the cooling system switches off all fans during everyday tasks to dissipate heat passively. This lets you concentrate on your work and immerse yourself in movies with less distraction. If CPU or GPU temperatures increase, the fans automatically switch on again. Enjoy incredible flexibility with 170 degrees of kickstand adjustment and a detachable full-sized keyboard. Updated arc flow fans feature curved blades specially shaped to maximize airflow with minimal noise. If you watch the video still ends, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and push the bell icon to our amazing tech updates. If you choose your favorite tab, please comment below the name of your favorite tablet. Bye and thanks for watching the video.